Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust black and white of an image on Photopea. So first of all, we want to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. So for adjusting the black and white, here on the top you can see here menu options, and here as an option you can see here image, click on that. And from here as second option you can see here adjustments, and from here as an option you can see here black and white, click on that. And from here you can just adjust it. And after adjusting it, click on OK. So now you can see that you had been adjust the black and white of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.